Crested black macaques like to live in extraordinarily large groups, sometimes numbering over 100. But what sets them apart is their character, something that's intimately connected to their home. Crested black macaques live
Zebras. Where does the zebra fit in the animal kingdom? Zebras are from Africa. They're covered with black and white stripes, just like pianos. Did you know every zebra has a different pattern? It keeps them from being bitten by flies. They look just like horses. Can you see the difference? And like horses, mummy zebras are called mares, daddy zebras are called stallions, and baby zebras are called foals. Zebras eat fruit, leaves, grass, and roots. And they graze in a big group called a herd. Zebra herds roam on large grassy plains. They can run very fast. Can you say zebra? Zebra. Zebra. Well done. Click on the videos above to see more amazing animals. And be sure to subscribe.
Animals eat food which gives them energy to live, but plants don't. Grabbing the sun's radiation along with water and air, they use the green chlorophyll inside their cells to create an incredible chemical reaction which produces glucose. Another handy product that plants just happen to make is oxygen, probably the planet's most resourceful food collectors. And there are plenty of admirers around. Much admired themselves, giraffes consume copious amounts of this glucose-rich material. A black tongue protects against sunburn and is covered in papillae to protect against thorns from the acacia tree. It was originally thought that a giraffe's neck had evolved to be longer for food gathering, as there is heavy competition along the tree line just below their height. But amazingly, it is now thought that their necks evolved to give males an advantage in combat.